Hey, it's Joe, BMX Joe 97, and this is Damon's new bike for the new channel. It's a really nice bike. It's the Aaron Ross signature bike from Sunday. Bought off 360 Cycles, it's a UK site. He bought the Sunday Funday Pro 2010, and they sent him this. And this is not the Sunday Funday Pro 2010. This is the signature 2011, and it's better. So let's just run through the parts. Odyssey power ends, they're the plastic ones that come with the Aaron Ross signature keyboard grips. You probably see them everywhere. Loads of people have got them, but these are pretty worn in. But there's a lot of Odyssey stuff there. These are the replica space bars. They basically come with the bike, because if they were the real space bars, then Sunday and Odyssey would be losing money, and they don't want to be losing money. So I've got the Odyssey CFL stem. It's the classic front loader, stands for. It's a really good stem, never slips, nice and tight, no gap. I've got the Sunday fork cap and an Odyssey integrated headset in there, really good. Tighten up, bang, done. Got the Sunday morning 2.1 forks, Sunday, 41 thermal. These are brakeless forks. You can't run a front brake, but not really much point because no one runs front brakes anymore. Odyssey tyre. Basically, Aaron Ross started off with the grips, then he got bars, a seat, now he's got tyres. They're really cool. You can ride through water. Don't know whether you'll be able to see because like the letters are pretty small, but you probably can. You ride through water or something, and it says like, if you can see this, I'm manually and stuff like that. It's just cool stuff. It's got the Odyssey Vendero 2 hub on the front, spins forever, really nice hub. Laced with Odyssey 14G spokes to the Odyssey Hazard Light rim. Featherweight design. The front tyre is 2.3 width, really quite chunky tyre, really nice bike, really nice, 100 psi in both. This is a Sunday third wave replica frame. I don't know if it's third wave, but it's a Sunday wave frame because that's what Aaron Ross rides. Brake's been taken off. Got the Sunday seat clamp, just comes standard, the pigeon sticker, the local bike shop, and a standard Odyssey or Sunday seat post. And this is the Odyssey Mike Aiken signature seat in black with red underneath. It looks really, really sick. Just flows together, really nice. Got the Sunday Bikes original equipment sprocket. Pretty nice sprocket. Manufactured well, 25 teeth. Yeah, just a great sprocket, quite thick as well. Got an Odyssey Twin Bolt cranks with a nice profile sticker there. Odyssey Twin Bolt 175mm, really good. Nice and strong cranks. They're 2-piece, no bolt there. Bolt on the other side though. Twisted PC pedals. They're like, and mine, Damon opinion, they're the best PC pedals. Yeah, just cheap. KMC drop buster chain, comes standard. Another Odyssey tyre, but this is 2.10 on the back, 100 psi. This is another Odyssey Hazard rim. Odyssey Hazard rim, laced to the G-Sport hub. The G-Sport ratchet, it's a really loud hub. Give you a quick sound. Yeah, so that was Damon's bike with a hub check. Yeah, it's a fairly new bike, barely got any scratches on. But yeah, thanks for watching the bike check. Remember to rate, comment, subscribe. We'll have edits up soon. Yeah, that's about it.